Now we will start to solve exercise 10.1. Question number 1. Draw a line, say AB, take a point C outside it. So students, we have to draw a line AB and we have to take a point C at the outside. So with the help of ruler and pencil, here we will draw a line AB as like this. Okay, and now we will name this line. Now take a point C outside it. So anywhere, any side, we can take a point C. So I will take this at this side. Through C, okay, draw a line parallel to AB using the ruler. So you can see this is a line, and with the help of using ruler and compass only, we have to draw here a parallel line to AB from the point C. So we have to draw a parallel line. So what are the parallel lines? Parallel lines are never meet each other, but they having a same distance between them. If we draw a transversal, you can see that the alternate interior angle will be the same. That means alternate interior angle having same measurements. And while drawing a parallel line, we are going to use this property. So this is my line and this is my point C. And now I have to take any point on the line AB. So as like this, I will draw a line which is lie on the point D on line AB. So I have completed this much my structure drawing of a parallel line. And now I have to draw such parallel line which makes same alternate interior angle. Okay, so this is one of the interior angle and I have to draw an interior angle to this side with the help of point C. So now look at here. So I will use a here compass. Okay, now I will keep this up tip of the compass on point B. Look at here how it is. And I will draw an arc to this side as like this way. Take a little distance. So as like this, I will draw an arc. Okay. So as like this, I will put this tip without moving an compass. I will draw same arc at the upside. So as like this, I can draw two arcs with the help of point D and point C. Point D and point C. So now I will measure the arc which is drawn with the help of point D. So I will keep the compass tip on one point and I will keep the pencil on the another point, and I will take the length of that arc. So using that measurement, I will keep this compass on this arc and I will measure the arc length with the help of compass. So I will put this compass tip and pencil and I will draw a small arc which intersect each other, and with the help of these 2 points I will draw here parallel. So you can see these two alternate angles are same. So with the help of ruler, by using these 2 points, I will draw here an parallel line. Okay, look at here carefully. Okay, so now this alternate angle having same measurement, and you can these are the parallel lines. So now I will mark this line with the help of using arrows and I will put up the name E and F. So EF is parallel to AB. Okay dear students, do you get this? Try to solve this in your notebook yourself. Now exercise 10.1, question number 2. Draw a line L. Okay, so I will draw a line L. So we will read one by one sentence and we will follow that sentence. So with the help of ruler and pencil, I will draw here line L and I will name that line L. Okay, so you can see this. Now A, B, I will put the name here to show the segment on this line. Draw a perpendicular to L at any point on L. So look at here, dear students, I will take point A, which is perpendicular to the line L. So I will take a compass, and now I will put the compass tip on point A, and now I will draw an arc which intersect the line L, but I will not show the intersection point, just I will draw an arc, okay, as like this way. So that construction should be clear, your pencil should be sharp, and don't repeat that process. Okay, so this is my arc, and you can see this. Without moving compass, I will draw here an arc which intersect each other. Again I will keep the point on intersection point, and again I will draw an arc, another one which intersect the bigger arc. So these are the two intersections arc, and now I will put the compass on second intersection point, and same at the upside I will draw an arc which are intersect each other. Okay, so you get this intersection point. Okay, so these 2 points makes a line. So with the help of these 2 points, now I will draw a line like this way, and now I will draw an arrow on this perpendicular. Choose any point X 4 centimeter away from L. So we have to measure that 4 centimeter point X. So when we take the point 4 centimeter away from L, we have to mark them as a X. So from the point A, we have to measure the 4 centimeter, and we have to mark that point as an X. So with the help of compass, I will take the 4 centimeter distance in compass. You should take a distance in compass only. You cannot measure the lines through ruler. So as like this, I will now mark the arc which shows the length 4 centimeter. So this is point, this intersection point will be named as, X. Okay, so as like this, through X draw a line M parallel to L. So with the help of this point, now I have to draw an parallel line to L. Already in the question 1 we have drawn it. So let's start. So we parallel lines, if they having a transversal, makes two alternate interior angles which are same. So with the help of point A, here we will draw an alternate angle to this side. Okay, and from this intersection point to the X. Okay, so as like this, A having the alternate angle and X point having the alternate angle which is at the downside. So with the help of compass box, we will draw a parallel line. So look at here carefully. Now I am just roughing the mesh here. Okay, so you can see the properly. Now with the help of compass box, I will make an arc at the point A. So I will take a little bit distance, and I will draw here an arc like this way. Okay, and without moving any distance, okay, this one, okay, I will place this compass tip on X, and at the downside I will draw an arc. Okay, as like this way. Now I will take the arc length. So with the help of compass box, look at here carefully how I'm measuring this an arc with the compass. So as like this, I will take exact distance of that arc. And now with the help of same distance I will put this compass on this point, and I will intersect this arc by drawing a little arc from the given compass and its distance like this way. And now you can see this is the intersection point, and this point, from these 2 points easily I can draw a parallel line. So these are the 2 points, and by helping the ruler I will draw here a parallel line. Okay, look at here carefully. So this is my another parallel line, which is line M, which is parallel to line L, and I will name it as a M. Okay, so as like this way, these 2 alternate angles are having same measurements, and from the point A, which is perpendicular point X, and with the help of this point A and X, I have drawn here parallel lines. So question number, as like question 1, we have to draw this parallel line. So as like we have to construct the parallel line from point X, which is perpendicular to the point A on L. So dear students, look at carefully, this distance is 4 cm that we have to mention here. Okay, now question number 3. Let L be a line and P be a point not on L. P be the point not on L. So here we have to draw a line L with the help of ruler. So as like this we can draw a line L. Okay, now P be a point not on L. The given point is not on L line, but it is at the outside. So here I can draw a point P. So through P, draw a line M parallel to L. So with the help of this point L, we have to draw here a line M. Already in the question number 1, we have studied this, how we have to write. So we will draw a line from P, which is on the point L, as like this way. And now we will mark this point as a X. Okay, so from the X and P, now we have to draw here R. So we know that line L and there is a point P, and that much construction we have completed here. So this is X and this is point P, and from point P we have to draw parallel line which having the same, and we know that alternate interior angle having the same measurements, so we can draw parallel line. So with the help of point X and P, now we will draw arc with the help of compass. So by taking proper measurement in compass, I will put the compass tip on X, and now I will draw an arc like this way. And now I will put this same compass without changing measurement. I will put an arc from the point P at the downside. Okay. Now with the help of compass, I will measure the arc length as like this way. So I will put this mark tip and pencil tip on the both point of the arc, and I will measure the arc length. And same arc length we have to take, and we have to mark the intersection arc with the help of intersection point as like this way. I will put the compass tip on this point and I will mark this point. So I get here intersection point, and from the point P I can draw parallel line. So look at here, with the help of ruler and these 2 points, I will draw here a parallel line. So now this is line M. Okay. Now join P to any point Q on L. Now I have to take any point Q to L. We have to join P to any point Q on L. Now this is line L, and here I will take point Q. And now I will join this point P and Q. Now choose any other point R on M. Okay, now this is line M, and here I will choose point R. And draw a line parallel to PQ. So this line PQ, I have to draw a line from point L which is parallel to PQ. So it will appear like this way. So now these are the parallel lines in transversal. So two parallel lines and transversal makes the corresponding angle which having the same measurements. Okay, now look at here. Okay, how we can draw this. This is a one point and this is another point that we have to mark. So we know that corresponding angles are same. So with the help of compass box we will draw here. So I will take here compass box. Sorry, here I will take compass. I will put this tip on point P. And now I will draw an arc which is intersect these lines as like this way. Okay. Now same using the measurement, now I am going to draw a line, an arc to this side with the point R. Okay. So as like this way we are constructing the parallel line which is PQ, and from this arc length, by taking the compass we will take same length of arc which is from point O, which is on a point line L, and I will draw here intersection point. So you can see this, we get here 2 points, this R point and intersection point. Now I will draw here a parallel line to PQ by using ruler. So as like this way I will draw, and let the meet L at S. So these are the parallel lines and this point it should be named as S. So as like this I can draw a parallel line to PQ. So what shape do the two sets of parallel lines conclude? So look at here, this is the quadrilateral which makes the parallel line. So PQSR. So PQSR is a quadrilateral. So it is a which type of the quadrilateral which are made by parallel lines? These also parallel lines. Okay, PQ and RS are parallel lines. So which type of the which shape do the two sets of parallel lines made? Parallelogram. Okay dear students, so as like this we can solve question number 3.